I'm having to refilm this intro because I mistakenly deleted the one that I originally filmed. Gosh, okay. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And I had a cute little dance the first time too. Now I have to try to remember what the dance was and replicate it. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And because I did not want to come to you with the look already done, I decided to take off all my makeup. So the rest of the video's already been done. I'm now visiting you from the future past future, whatever you want to call it, future. But in today's video, I did the Google Picks My Makeup challenge. I initially saw this on okay. I initially saw this on Nikki Tutorials channel. She put in her initials into Google and put look after it and then searched, and the image that first came up is the image that she used for inspiration for her eye look. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, but my name is actually Youkeyy. Not a lot of you know that, but hi. I get mistaken for someone who's Japanese a lot before the people meet me, and I've actually in real life multiple times had people ask me if I was part Japanese. The first letter of my name is O, and then I put the first initial of my last name, and then I typed in look, and what came up is the first picture right here of this truck, as you can see. So it's dark blue, we've got some chrome / silver in there, you've got black, and also a smidge of orange. For this video, I tried to create a look based around these colors. If you want to see how everything turned out and how the process went, go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighty, so now that we are closer to my dreams, I'm getting higher and higher. All right, let me stop playing because I know some of you don't like the singing, which if you want me to be like, apply the eyeshadow, and I would like for you to take your C12 concealer and dot that on the eyes, and then we'll go in and blend. Sorry, this is not that kind of channel. I turn everything into a song. Sorry, that's just my way of de-stressing. Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12. How could I forget to clean up my brows? What is wrong with me? So I'll be right back. You know what? I just might do that. I might just go in with a straight up dark blue. Taking the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. I'm gonna use this color called Indigo. It's this matte dark blue right here. Blend this out and then go right in and pack on the color. I'm really taking a big risk doing my makeup this way because this is not my normal process. So bear with me here. No going back now. So I think what I want to do next is take a bit of a lighter blue. I'm going to take this individual eyeshadow from Morphe, their shade 44. I'm going to use circular motions to blend this out and see how that goes. We might be onto something. This is not my usual technique. I think a Mitchell technique, but yo, this works. Very, very light touch to the skin and holding the brush very daintily. Do you see the blend? See the blend. Hey, do you see the blend? I love how I'm completely forgetting that I need to incorporate other colors into this look. I'm tempted to take a clean brush and just use circular motions to kind of clean up and blend out that outer perimeter. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't think I want to add anything else to the eye. I feel like if I add anything else, it'll ruin it. I'm gonna attempt to use this to the waterline, but it looks like it's kind of metallic, so hopefully it doesn't make me feel uncomfortable and hurt my eye. No, this is not gonna work. Bad idea. I'm just gonna use a black eye pencil to the waterline. This is the Maybrook Extremely Soft Eyeliner. This is the best eye pencil I've ever used, and the darkest. So we are back. I did do a kind of trial run of highlighting and contouring. Maybrook, I don't know how to say it. The Extremely Soft Eyeliner, that phrase extremely soft eyeliner, they're not joking. It's very, very, very soft. But because of the fact that I added that metallic blue first, it did kind of show through a little bit. So I'm not getting a super black to the waterline like I wanted, but that's okay because I'm going to be adding indigo to the lower lash line. I'm going to take my Sigma waterline liner brush E17, dip this into indigo all down here. Then I'm gonna take my pencil brush. This is the Sigma E30 pencil brush. I'm gonna take this 44 eyeshadow and do the same thing, small circular motions down here. I'm gonna have to put my face down for this because I don't want there to be any skipping. Is it working? Okay, I think it is working. I'm over here asking y'all, like, is it working? As if you can tell me, yes, it's working. For the silver component, I don't have a lot of silver stuff. You guys know I'm more of a gold girl. So what I am going to be using is kind of a cheat. This is the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Smoky Storm. And although it doesn't look like a silver, it does have silver glitters, whatever you want to call it, in it. This really tiny little brush. It's a Sigma Detailed Lip Brush L04. Take some of it onto here and apply that to the inner corner. Boom. Donezo. And I was actually thinking of using a rhinestone, but I'm glad I just did this because it's so much faster. So now I'm gonna apply some eyeliner. I'm not even sure if this is gonna show up, but it is black. So hey, you can't say I didn't try. And because this look is already really intense, I'm not gonna do a wing because I don't want to, one, potentially mess things up, and two, I don't want to take away from the smokiness of it. Ooh, I feel good. See, if I add orange, this is just gonna ruin everything. The intense smokiness that's going on the eyes right now. I don't think I'm gonna add anything to the brow bone. I don't feel like it. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm gonna use a lipstick that's a little bit more on the orange side. My NYX Round Lipstick in the shade T. It's nude, but it has a bit of that like orangey peach to it. So here's the completed look. This is, okay, lipstick. This has me feeling like if Erykah Badu was a beauty guru, this is a look she would be serving you guys. I think you need to go top down. Okay, so this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I do not mind the fact that I basically failed this challenge because I did not incorporate any oranges. I mean, if you want to pass the lip off as an orange, that's great, but the orange that's in that photo is like a tangerine orange, and I guess I could have done like a cut crease. These darn planes, man, I'm telling you. I know I probably could have like incorporated a spotlight eye or cut crease or something like that, but I love the smokiness of this look specifically. And I feel like I don't really do a lot of smoky eye looks, especially dark ones, and this really is making me, oof. Don't be surprised if you see more smoky, dark eye looks on my channel. If you enjoyed this, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you think. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell to get all notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. I'm on Instagram and Twitter at Youkeyy_. And I'm on Facebook and Snapchat as well. Everything you need to know will be down below in the description box. And by the time you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure the giveaway winner would have already been contacted privately. Once they respond back within 24 hours, I can put it up on the actual video that the giveaway was held on and say, hey, the winner has been chosen, and I'll just put it in a pinned comment or something like that. If the person does not respond back within 24 hours, I will go ahead and choose another winner. So just to let you guys know, I don't know what it is, but whenever I'm feeling a look and I feel good and it makes me feel beautiful, I just start dancing and singing and doing all of this, and I'll probably keep doing this for the rest of the outro because I feel like I need to be on the cover of a magazine somewhere. And okay, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I hope to see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.